Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. Do you want to know how to change drive letter in your Windows 11 PC or laptop? Then in this video, I'll teach you how. So without any further ado, let's get started. So firstly, let me just show you my devices and drives to completely show you my current drive letter. So I have here letter D as my drive letter, which is being enclosed with this parentheses. Okay, and my local disk is in C colon drive. So to change this drive letter, we'll be performing a very basic step, and by that you need to proceed at the start icon. Please do a right click and then scroll up and find disk management. So I can see it here. Tap on it once you had find it. So the moment you click on disk management, you would be able to see this window called disk management itself. Will it show you the volumes that is present in your Windows or computer, which are your devices and drives, the layout, the type, the file system, the status, the capacity, the free space, and the percentage of free. So here, you need to proceed with the drive that you want to change with. Okay, in my case, I'll be selecting my D drive, okay, which is this. So in order to change such, we'll be performing a step, and that is to do a right click. Okay, and the moment you do that, this small window would appear. Here, you need to proceed with this option called Change Drive Letter and Paths. So click on it, and the moment you do that, this small window would appear, and it will show you three options, which are Add, Change, and Removed. And since we'll be changing our drive letter, then by that, you need to proceed with this option at the second, which is Changed. So click on it, and the moment you do that, you would be able to see a new window appearing again, which you can see that you can change the drive letter or path. And here, you need to proceed with this one. Assign the following drive letter and click on this down arrow, and by that you would be able to see all of the list of letters that you can go with. In my case, I'll be selecting this letter E. Once you have set the drive letter that you prefer, you can click on OK. And before clicking on it, some programs that rely on drive letters might not run correctly. Do you want to continue? No worries, you just have to click on yes. Okay, and wait until it will be applied here in our new drive. Okay, so let's check. Now in my case, from letter G, D as drive letter, it's being letter E for now. Okay, and if we'll close this, and if we will check it here, the disk management, it is being also set as E colon as the new drive letter of my hard drive. Okay, so once you are satisfied, you can now close the window and you're good to go. Now, if you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.